Charles and I are here just chilling at camp. Been setting up hammocks and doing something we don't normally do, which is just sit and enjoy this nice camp spot. So I'm gonna get started cooking our dinner, and I want to talk about the different things that we've added to our kitchen that have really revolutionized the meals that we can have. So it's not just hamburgers, hot dogs, and tacos all the time. So, and that's the Blackstone griddle, which I'll get out in a little while. So tonight we're going to have orange chicken and fried rice. So I'm getting ready to start chopping the onion up. So stay tuned. Okay guys, as you can see, I've got the onion chopped up. I probably have too much, so I think I'll set some aside for the squash that I have. I've got the rice that we cooked up at home in the Instapot. That's pretty much the only prep that we did for this, and that's because the fried rice does better when it's cold. I used to try to prep all the meals ahead of time so it would be easier, and it got to be too stressful. So I'm trying it this way now, which, I mean, look around, who doesn't want to cook here, right? So I've got the frozen peas and carrots and the garlic for the rice, and then I'm gonna start chopping up the chicken and we'll go from there.
All right guys, here we go. I've got the oil heating up here. I'm gonna be making the sauce for the orange chicken here. I got my breading here and the chicken in an egg wash. Guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is camp cooking at its finest. I got the Medlock DDH IPA from Six Bridges Brewing here out of Georgia. It's a very good IPA. Try it out. We're gonna have this lady here is going to be cooking up the fried rice on the Blackstone. So all right guys, let's get cooking.
He is working his magic, folks.
I'm doing better than my fork.
We should have brought some real forks for this, but we're figuring it out. It's looking good. Keep it up, Smalls. All right guys, we're cooking. I'm starting the garlic and onion for the fried rice. Got all the ingredients over here. Rice is cooked up, peas and carrots. Got all my seasonings and sauces, got some eggs, and then over here we've got Smalls getting that chicken fried up. So it's gonna be a delicious dinner. Stay tuned. Guys, we are cooking. Let me tell you, I love this Blackstone griddle. We got this one at Walmart. It's the Adventure Ready, so it's, you know, smaller. And we got the, you know, waterproof carrying case also, so it can go in the back of the truck at any time. We run it off of one of these 1 pound propane tanks. These little propane tanks will run for hours. So that's excellent. Now this meal is something that we've cooked at home a good bit, but we've never done out in the woods. And at home we have our large Blackstone that we cook it on. But it's a meal that the kids absolutely love. A little bit on the labor intensive side, but it's definitely worth it. So I'm gonna be adding the rice on in just a minute after I get these garlic and onions cooked up a little more. All right, so we're shaping up here. I got all the veggies cooked up, including the peas and carrots, and I've added the rice. One of the big secrets with the rice is you want the griddle to be, you know, kind of medium high, so it's nice and hot when you put it on there. And sesame oil is the magic thing for the flavor. So.
How's it going?
Excellent. It's shaping up.
Look at that, guys.
Every time I do this, it turns out a little bit different, but it's still really good. And obviously, we've got way more than you and I need, so.
That's fine. That's why we have the fridge. You got the refrigerator, freezer, anything we cook, we have leftovers, we just take it home. That's the best part of having the fridge. It's not like having a cooler where anything you stick in there when you go home, you throw it away because of all the, you know, the melted ice and all of that crap always ruins everything. So I'm almost done with the chicken. She's almost done with the rice. Dinner is ready and it's 2:30. This is how you camp when you don't have kids. You knock everything out. And when I say don't have kids, we just don't have them with us. All right, guys, we're gonna keep going. All right, guys, switching it up from the IPA, we got the chocolate peanut butter porter, Sweet Baby Jesus. This thing is good. Out of Baltimore, Maryland, Duclaw Brewing. Never had it before. I'm gonna have it again.
I'm moving into the final step here, cooking the egg to go in the rice. So you kind of make a hole in the rice and cook it up and then mix it all together. It's looking good. All right. Rice is ready. Let's go over here and check on Smalls. He's working on the sauce. The chicken is done. How's it going, Smalls?
It's great. We forgot one thing, which is we mixed our cornstarch with our flour and used that for our chicken, and forgot that we need cornstarch to thicken our sauce. So I'm doing the best I can. I got flour and cornstarch everywhere. Cooking in the woods, guys. What do you expect? We need a bigger table.
Yeah. Down here we've got the fried chicken. We'll dip in the sauce when it's done. So dinner's almost ready, guys. And it's looking good.
All right, guys. Here we go. Orange chicken is ready. I got it warming back up, put it in the sauce. And we got fried rice here. We have enough fried rice for about 9 people in the fridge. Looking pretty darn good though, guys. This is how you camp.
Looking good. This is camp dinner.